This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn off audio call on Facebook Messenger. So if you're wondering how to turn off audio call for a specific conversation, follow these simple steps and the process will be similar for Android and iOS users. Messenger doesn't provide any direct options to turn off audio calls on Facebook Messenger. So all you have to do, just open the specific conversation, tap on the conversation name at the top, tap on mute, tap on until I change it. Once you muted the conversation, now open your phone settings, search for Messenger, tap on Messenger and disable camera and microphone option. And after that, you won't get any calls from the specific conversation. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.